Good afternoon, Bala. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How about you?
I'm also good, Bala. Thank you. Okay, so shall we
ma'am.
start?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Let's go.
Yes, baby.
Shall I write here?
No, beta, right here. I'm saying you're right here. Okay.
Hello. Yeah, am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. So, Kushal, today we are going to discuss about fraction. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay. So first, tell me, do you like pizza?
Yes, ma'am.
You like pizza?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And do you share your pizza with anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
You share? Very good. So, fraction is we will learn about fraction on the basis of pizza. Okay. So,
Okay, ma'am.
just imagine. See, can you see my white screen? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. So just imagine this is my pizza. Okay, full veggie loaded, and there is lot of cheese here. Everything. Okay. Now I have to divide this pizza into 6 parts. Okay, or 4
Okay,
parts.
ma'am.
बेसिकली हम लोग पहले 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके
Okay, ma'am.
सो सी आई एम डिवाइडिंग लाइक दिस एंड दिस. ओके
Okay, ma'am.
perfect. Yeah, so just imagine this is for you, K for Kushagra. Okay, this is for
Okay,
me, this is for your
yes,
mummy, and this is for your dad. Okay, so
okay,
as
ma'am.
you can see, I divide this pizza into 4 equal parts.
Yes, ma'am.
Right now just imagine आपने आपका वाला part complete कर लिया. This is your part, right? So I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
total 4 parts, right? And
Yes,
उसमें
ma'am.
से आपने आपका 1 part ले लिया. So it is 1/4.
Ma'am,
Yes, Bala?
1/4 means. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can see, right? Now just imagine I also ate मेरा वाला जो part था. Okay, so now how many pieces? 2/4.
2/4.
Yes, so we say 2/4. Okay, Bala?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll give you one more example. Just imagine this is my apple. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
this is one apple. It is also known in fraction whole. WHOLE, whole. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
now just imagine मैंने ये एप्पल को बीच से कट किया. ओके कुशाग्र, तो ये क्या बन जाएगा?
Okay,
ये एक हाफ पार्ट बन जाएगा, ये एक हाफ पार्ट बन जाएगा, राइट?
yes, ma'am.
So it will become 1/2 and it will become 1/2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So इसको just imagine if you give half to your sister, then half remains with you, and each part is called fraction. Okay, Bala?
Okay, ma'am.
यहाँ तक क्लियर कुशाग्र? पक्का?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Bala? Now see, it's very easy. बहुत सिंपल है. Just imagine जैसे मैंने अभी लिखा था बेटू 1/2. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये 1 जो ऊपर में मैंने लिखा बाला उसको बोला जाता है न्यूमरेटर. ओके,
Okay, ma'am.
एंड द नीचे वाला पार्ट इज नोन एज डिनोमिनेटर. ओके बेबी, तो
Yes, ma'am.
बेसिकली वी कैन राइट n फॉर न्यूमरेटर एंड d फॉर डिनोमिनेटर. ओके,
Okay, ma'am.
तो वी ऑलवेज यूज फ्रैक्शन. जब भी हम लोग फ्रैक्शन लिखेंगे वी विल राइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ n by d, numerator by denominator. Understood, Bala?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो इन बेसिकली अगर मैं आपको बताने जाऊं तो डिनोमिनेटर क्या रहता बेटू, टोटल नंबर ऑफ इक्वल पार्ट्स. ओके
Okay, ma'am.
okay, and the numerator is equal parts taken into consideration. जैसे when we were discussing about pizza, so pizza लिया मैंने, pizza को मैंने equally 4 parts में divide किया, right?
Yes, ma'am.
तो यहाँ पे denominator क्या बनेगा, 4.
4.
Yes, and just imagine I have eat 2 parts. Okay, I have eaten 2 parts. न्यूमरेटर में क्या आएगा,
2.
2. Okay, so how will it pronounce, 2 by 4. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay बाला, so
Okay.
अब छोटी छोटी चीजें we will discuss. Okay, now there is a term which is called half. Okay, so can you say, आपको क्या लगता है half क्या होगा कुशाग्र, half मतलब,
1 by 2.
very good. So when the whole is divided into 2 equal parts, okay, the part should be equal. Okay, so उसको बोला जाएगा half. Just imagine one pizza I have divided into half, into 2 equal parts, so it will become 1 by 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is known as half. Okay baby,
Okay, ma'am.
very good. Now there is one more term which is called third, 1/3. Okay, so 1/3 will be, just imagine this is the whole ब्रेड वाला लोफ है ये, ठीक है, एक ब्रेड का लोफ है मेरे पास. ओके, दिस इज
Okay,
होल,
ma'am.
right? And if I divided this bread loaf into 3 equal parts, okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, yes baby. So see, this will become 1 by 3, this will become 1 by 3, and this will become 1 by 3. तो इसको बोला जाता थर्ड. So third क्या रहेगा, when the whole is divided into 3 equal parts, so each part is called 1/3. Okay, you are getting
Okay,
my
ma'am.
point bala, is it
Yes, ma'am.
okay, perfect, very good. And there is one more term which is known as 1/4. Name itself says कुशाग्र, 1/4 मतलब क्या होगा,
Quarter.
वाटर. वेरी गुड, अरे सब आता कुशाग्र को. तो जस्ट इमेजिन दिस इज माय अगेन माय ब्रेड लोफ. अगर अब मैंने ये ब्रेड लोफ को 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया, 1 2 3 4. नाउ ईच पार्ट हाउ विल आई राइट, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4, right bala? So when the whole
Yes, ma'am.
is divided into 4 equal parts, each part is called 1/4 or quarter. Okay, so we will write it
ma'am.
as a 1/4. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
perfect. Sub, yeah, very good. Okay, now we will do some exercise. Okay, I have
Okay,
something
ma'am.
for you. Okay, just
Okay,
a
ma'am.
minute, huh? Just a minute.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So okay, so is it visible to you? Just tell me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. It is converting. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah. Now, is it visible to you, Bitu?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Okay. So see, it's very easy. You just have to tell me कि ये जो diagram आपको दिख रहा है. Okay. So you just have to pick the right fraction represented by the shaded part. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
They have given the first one. जैसे देखो यहाँ पे equal parts कितने थे, first इसमें 6. So 6 आएगा denominator में and 5 where the color part. So 5 by 6. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me about the second one.
Second one is 1/5.
1/5. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are six equal parts, na? Kushagra.
I mean 1/6.
1/6. Okay, perfect. This is 1/6. ठीक है. The third one.
3/8.
Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 3 by 8. Perfect. Good. Next one.
1/4.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1/4. Perfect. Next, baby.
4/6.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be 4 by 6. Perfect. Okay. The next one.
1/2.
1/2, or you can say 1/2 or only half, Bala. Not 1/2, it's 1/2 or half. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So it's half. That is 1/2. Perfect. The next one. Ah, this is nice. Now tell me how
3
many triangles are there?
3/4.
3/4. Perfect. 3/4. Okay. Nice.
Next one is 1/3.
Next one is 1/3. Perfect. Okay.
4/5.
4/5. Perfect. So, have you understood, Bala?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. I have one more worksheet for you. So, okay, this is also very interesting. Okay, just give me a second, Bala. It is loading, and yeah, it's here. Okay, so is it visible for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you just have to identify the fractions. Okay, Kushal?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. First, for the first diagram.
3/7.
ओके जस्ट अ सेकेंड ना, पहले मैं पूरे टोटल कितने पार्ट से आई काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, baby, it's 8. And how many color parts are there?
4.
The shaded region 4. So it will become 4/8. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now for this, the second figure. Okay.
2/4.
2/4. Perfect. Now the third one.
1/3.
Arey, बढ़िया. Perfect. Now this is interesting. Tell me about the fourth one.
Whole.
Whole. Yes. But in fraction, what will be the numerator? Perfect. 5/5, which is also known as 1, which is also known as whole. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Nice. Good job. Okay. The next one, baby. The fifth one.
7/7.
Okay. Perfect. This is also whole.
Whole.
Yes, Bala? Okay. The next one.
1/2.
1/2, which is also known as
Half.
half. Perfect. The next one.
7/8.
7/8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Perfect. 7/8. Okay.
The
Next
next one is 4/4.
Okay, the next one is 4/4.
The next one is 3/4.
The next one is 3/4. Perfect. Okay.
The next one, the next one is a whole.
होल. सो फ्रैक्शन में क्या रहेगा? 1/1.
Means 1.
Yes, Bala? Okay. The next.
2/6. The next one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 2/6. Okay.
The
And
the
the-
last one is 2/3.
2/3. That is 2/3. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood, Bala? Clear?
Ma'am.
Perfect. Okay. Now we will see the next thing. Okay. यहाँ तक clear है सब आपको कुशाग्र?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect, Bala. Okay. So now we will discuss about types of fractions. Okay. We will
Okay,
discuss
ma'am.
about types of fraction. Okay. So now tell me, you now clear about the numerator and denominator, right? What is numerator and what is
Yes,
denominator?
ma'am.
Right? Okay. Perfect.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
सबसे पहला type है, we are going to see is proper fraction. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Okay. So in proper
ma'am.
fraction, always remember, Bala, it is a fraction where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. What I'm saying, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. जैसे, can you give me some examples for proper fraction?
3/4.
3/4. Perfect. Give me more examples.
5/8.
5/8. Perfect. One more example.
6/7.
6/7. Perfect. So now I think it is clear to you, right? Proper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is smaller than the denominator.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Bana? Perfect.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
So it is known as proper fraction. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Bala. So second is improper fraction. Okay. So it is a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So here numerator is greater than the denominator. Now can you give me some examples?
6/5.
Okay. 6/5. Perfect.
7/6.
7/6. Okay.
8/7.
8/7 and 5/3 and 11/2. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So these are all the improper fraction. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Balu? Okay, perfect. Now there is one more type which is known as like fraction. See what I'm writing, like fraction. Okay, Bala?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
like fractions are the fractions with the same denominator. Listen what I'm saying. Fractions with same denominator. Okay, Bala?
Okay, ma'am.
See, can you give me some examples for like fractions, Kushal? Like fraction will be in pair or more than two fractions you can write. So, जैसे देखो 2/5 and 3/5. If you can see, both have the same denominator, 5 and 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So those fractions are known as like fractions. Okay, Mala?
Okay, ma'am.
Now you give me one example for like fraction.
Like fraction.
Yes.
3/6.
3 by 6. Okay.
and 4 by 6.
And 4 by 6. Perfect. 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. I like fractions because they have
Same
They have
denominator.
same denominator. Okay, perfect. Clear आपको अच्छे से?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bata? Okay. And there is one last, which is unlike fractions. Like fraction and unlike fraction. Okay. So unlike fractions are those fractions with different denominators. Okay. I will
ma'am.
write one example. Example 1 by 3 and 4 by 5. Okay. So
Ma'am.
as you can see, there is, the denominator is different. 1 by 3 and 4 by 5. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now can you give me one example, Bala?
2 by 6 and 5 by 7.
Oh, perfect. 2 by 6 and 5 by 7. Okay.
Ma'am.
Nice. Okay. So, एक छोटू सा quick recap. So, we have learned 4 types of fraction. Okay. The first
Okay,
one
ma'am.
is
The first one was proper fraction.
very good. So, what is proper fraction, Kushagra?
Proper fraction are the fractions in which the denominator is greater than the numerator.
Perfect. Very good. Right. And the second one was?
Second one was improper fractions.
Perfect. And what is improper fraction?
Improper fractions are fractions in which the numerator is greater than the denominator.
Numerator is greater than the denominator. Perfect. Very good. Then we have learned about
Like fraction,
like fractions. Very good. And what are like fractions?
which have same denominators.
Perfect. Which have same denominator. Good boy. And the last one is
Unlike fraction,
unlike fractions. So unlike fractions are those fractions with
which have different denominators.
yes, which have different denominator. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Perfect. Have you understood, Bala? यहाँ तक अच्छे से पक्का?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. I have one more worksheet for you. Do you want to solve it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just give me 1 second. I am okay. This one is okay. So it is converting. Just a second. Yes. Is it visible to you, Bala?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have learned about the like fractions, right? So like fractions
Yes,
are
ma'am.
those fractions जिनका denominator same होता है, right? So now I have given you some number over here, some fractions over here. You have to in the first you have to write the greatest to least. You have to arrange them in a descending order. Okay. So the
Okay, ma'am.
first one is 2 by 5, 1 by 5, 4 by 5 and 3 by 5.
4 by 5, then 3 by 5,
Okay.
then 2 by 5,
Okay.
then 1 by 5.
Okay. Next.
The next one is 7 by 8, then 6
Okay.
by 8, then 4 by 8, then 1 by 8.
Perfect. The next.
Then next, the 5 by 6, then 4 by 6, then 2 by 6, and then 1/6.
Okay.
8 by 9, 5 by, no, 7 by 9, 5 by 9, then 3 by 9.
Okay. Okay.
The next one is 8 by 10, 5 by 10, 3 by 10, 1 by 10.
Okay. Next, Bala.
Next one, arrange the 6 fractions, write them in the
Yes.
boxes from least to greatest.
Yes, least to greatest.
Okay, ma'am, I said 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, and
Okay,
1 by 8.
Okay. Okay, Bala. Here, if you can see, the numerators are equal, right? And denominators are different. Yes. So, we will skip this wala part. रुक जाओ एक second ना. Okay. So, यहाँ तक आपको clear? Like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction and
Yes,
improper fraction, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect, Bala. Now there is one more term we have to discuss, which is very important in fraction, and that is equivalent fraction. Have you ever heard the term? Yes, Bala.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay. Now am I audible, Kushagra?
Ma'am, still it is breaking.
Still it is breaking, Betu. Just a second, I'll change my position. Okay, now am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. So now we are going to discuss about one more important term in the fraction, which is known as equivalent fraction. Have you ever heard about equivalent fraction?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you tell me something about that? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kushagra, can you tell me about equivalent fraction? Okay, I will tell you. See, it's very simple. Can you see the just a second? It is not visible now. एक minute है भला. हाँ, is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, equivalent fractions are those fractions which represent same portion of whole are called equivalent fractions. Okay. Now what does that mean? Same portion. Now if you can see here in figure, the first figure. Now can you tell me the first figure fraction में हम लोग कैसे लिखेंगे बाला इसको?
1 by 2 or
Very
half.
good. 1 by, okay, 1 by 2 or half, right? So it's 1 by 2. Okay. The second one?
2 by 4.
एक second. The second one is 2 by 4. Okay. The third one?
3 by 6.
3 by 6. Okay. And the fourth one?
4 by 8.
Very good. 4 by 8. But now if you can see, ये figures अगर आप देखें तो सबका half portion है. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So fraction which represent same portion of whole are called equivalent fractions. So 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8 are equivalent fractions of each other. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Am I clear, Bala?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So have you understood till here? Today we have discussed about
Yes,
fraction, what is numerator, what is denominator. We have discussed also about the types of fractions. So we have discussed about proper, improper, like, unlike, and the last one is equivalent fraction. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? So have you understood till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. Nice. Okay, so perfect. So Okay, so as I told you, 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4, is equivalent to 3 by 6, and it is equivalent to 4 by 8. Because it is represent same portion of whole. Okay, आधा portion है ये. Right, Bala?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Okay, nice. So, did you enjoy your lecture today?
Yes, ma'am.
Nice.
Yes,
Perfect.
ma'am.
That's why Kushagra knows everything, right? Kushagra is very brilliant boy. So, do you like maths, Kushagra, or do you like science more?
I like science.
Ah, okay. Same here. I also like science. But I love maths also. It's very easy. You just have to play with numbers. You don't have to learn anything or like that. You just have to play with numbers. Right? In maths. Okay?
Ma'am.
Perfect. So,
Yes, ma'am.
we'll meet soon.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Bala. Take care. Bye.
Ma'am.